Hi there. It's Sam the Avatar here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Change Your Mind, Change Your World. Welcome to day 8 of learning how to apply the laws of power to get a competitive edge in your life. To apply this law, you will need to position yourself as a valuable resource or authority in your field and make people come to you for help or advice. If you've been learning about the other laws from our previous videos, let us know in the comments if you have any questions. If you'd like us to go into more details about a certain topic, or if you've managed to apply any of the laws successfully. By sharing your own experiences and success stories, it helps us all learn as well. So let's get started. Law number 8 is, make other people come to you. I know it's difficult sometimes. How do you get people to constantly chase after you, versus you doing all the chasing? Well, this law is about being able to control the flow of information and interactions, rather than constantly seeking out others. One way to apply this law is by building a personal brand. By establishing yourself as an expert in your field, you will be able to attract attention and make others come to you for advice or collaboration. This can be done by consistently creating valuable content, participating in industry events, and leveraging social media to showcase your skills and expertise. A really good way to do this is by improving your listening skills and providing empathy. People will like you more if they feel like you genuinely care about them. Be mindful though, only provide advice when it is asked. You must understand that most people in this world want attention, and to just complain and to be heard. Try not to overstep by providing unnecessary advice when they don't want it. This will save you time and effort. However, when people ask advice, make sure it's practical, simple and straight to the point. People will find that more valuable than if you go on a tangent. While giving advice, make sure you use that person's own words and that you mirror their actions. They will be more likely to listen to you and retain the information you give them. So, how can you get others to do what you want them to, and apply this law in the modern world? In general, by connecting with others and building a network of contacts, you will be able to attract potential clients, collaborators, and partners. So, first thing is to build a personal brand. Establish yourself as an expert in your field by consistently creating valuable content, participating in industry events, and leveraging social media to showcase your skills and expertise. Secondly, be patient and persistent. Keep on connecting with people and adding contacts to your network. Many will disappear, but a good amount will stay. So make sure you are constantly adding more people to your network, all while consciously adding value to the people who stay consistent in your life. Personally, I find it helpful to make a list of people who are consistent in your life, and add a little note about their jobs and skills. That way, you can also utilize their skills to your advantage if you find yourself ever needing help. The same way you might expect people to use your services, you must as well use their services. If there are people in your life where there isn't a mutual benefit, it might be better if you are willing to just cut your losses and let them loose. For example, if you are a real estate agent and you have friends that don't want to use you as their realtor, I would just cut them off because they don't see the value in you and they won't help support your livelihood. So why keep someone around that doesn't want to help you? You just need to build a network strong enough that will add value to your life and help you grow. Don't waste your time on anyone else. Thirdly, focus on providing value. By providing value to others, this will make them more likely to come to you for help or advice. You must share your knowledge and expertise with others, but still maintain control over the flow of information and interactions. You want people to see you as an expert and a valuable resource, so make sure you're not wasting people's time. It is essential to build a reputation for being the best in your field. This will attract others to you. Also ensure that you are assertive and confident with your approach. Lastly, be accessible and responsive. Make sure that others can easily reach you and that you respond to their inquiries promptly. In this modern world, everything is instant, so if it's difficult to reach you, people will move on to the next available person, even if they have less value to offer other than you. As well as being accessible, ensure that you create a unique selling point that will make you stand out from the competition, and that will make others more drawn to you. It is really attractive if you take the time to identify your unique skills and abilities and leverage them, because naturally you will end up being more confident when displaying your skills to others. One last thing to keep in mind when applying this law is that it's not about being arrogant or dismissive of others. It's important to be helpful and generous with your time and knowledge, while still maintaining control over the flow of information and interactions. In conclusion, the eighth law of power is all about positioning yourself as a valuable resource and making others come to you for help and advice. By building a personal brand, networking, and being patient and persistent, you'll be able to apply this law effectively. Remember to be helpful and generous. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions, or if you have any examples of how you've applied this law in your own life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on the 48 Laws of Power.